Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today we're creating this farmhouse basket. If you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe and please give me a big thumbs up once you finish watching this tutorial. I went ahead and created this beautiful basket and in looks of something that I saw at a Ross store, and I wanted to go ahead and duplicate it for my daughter's room. Okay, here is my basket ready for paint. I actually got this basket from my sister. They had a couple of them at home, and I'm not sure where they purchased them, but it was the perfect thing for me to do my project. And I'm using some Rust-Oleum paint that I had on hand already. And so here is my basket already with one coat, and I did do 2 full coats and then a little bit on the rim. And here you can see I purchased this material at Walmart for 38 cents. It was a fair amount of material and it's really stretchy, which is what I liked, and I really especially liked the price. So whenever you get a chance or you have materials like that at your Walmart, I would keep a close eye on that because you can get pretty good deals. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the good side upward, and I'm going to go ahead and just seal it with some hot glue. And I'm leaving a little bit of space on the edge. So as you can see, I kind of folded that. That's going to be where I go ahead and seal it from the side. So all it took is me applying a little bit of hot glue on the areas and just adjusting the material so they would be as straight as can be. And then I went ahead and did the same for this side portion. I was just going ahead and folding it over a tad bit on the material itself, and I went ahead and also did this portion in pieces just to make sure that I was able to get the best seal as possible with this hot glue. Now for this second portion, now that I have completely sealed both of those ends, I have a third end to seal. In a way, I'm going to be applying this jute twine in between me sealing the fabric. And this is just so that I'm able to tie a bow on the edge and secure it onto the basket. So if I decide to use this particular material on a wider basket, I can still do so by loosening the knot. So as you can see here, I'm just doing the same thing I kind of did on the edges. I'm just applying a little bit of that hot glue and then securing the jute twine in the center as much as possible, and then just trying to make sure that it doesn't stick on itself. So I am periodically moving it so that it doesn't get glued onto the fabric. Okay, now that we're complete, we're ready to go ahead and assembly once our basket is completely dry. And here is my second coat, as you can see. And here I am trying to go ahead and make sure that none of my jute twine is stuck. And as you can see here, I'm able to go ahead and fully seal it if I want to. And that was just me trying the material out to make sure that it was going to function very well. And like I said, it's going to fit that small basket perfectly. And here is our end product. It looks very beautiful. I like the end result. Since most of my daughter's room it will be white and pink, I decided to put a little bit of touch of gray, and it worked out with the material that I purchased at Walmart. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and I thank you for watching.